Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to turn pages in a Kindle Paperwhite and some additional features beyond that. But to turn pages when we're in our book, if we want to go to the next page, we click to the right-hand side of the screen, and you can see this allows me to turn the pages. If I want to go back to previous pages, it's over on the left-hand side of the screen, and that gets us back to where we started. And some additional things that you might also find helpful, if you want to skip ahead to other chapters, you can do this by tapping at the top of your screen. That's going to open up this menu, and clicking on this button here in the bottom left area. And clicking on that's going to bring up this option, and we can drag this slider to skip ahead to other chapters. So going ahead to chapter 4, chapter 8, chapter 10. And let's say you want to jump ahead to a chapter, but then also turn the pages. You can do that by clicking on these arrows on the right and left hand side, depending on which way you'd like to turn the page. And then going back to the start, all we have to do is drag that slider all the way back to the beginning. And you can also open up the pages in a grid-like pattern with this button right here. And that's also giving you the option to look at the different pages here and seeing which one that you want to find. And once you find the page that you want to go to, let's say we wanted to go to page 7, clicking on that, then it takes us to that respective page. So I hope this video was helpful going through how you turn pages in a Kindle Paperwhite when you're reading your book. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.